Page 12, this is called a pick and mix, what they're doing it. We have four different pieces on pages 12 and 13. And this is a situation where you're doing different things. On page 12, you see they're all for the right hand. On page 13, they're all for the left hand. Okay, whichever. I mean, they're all in 3/4 time. You could play them all together, just straight through the whole thing if you wanted to. You'll notice that there's repeat signs on each one. You play each one twice. If you're in a group setting, you can have different people playing different ones at the same time. And it's easy on piano to pretend you're somewhere else. I mean, middle C on piano is here, but you can pretend any C is middle C. So I could play this first one here where it is, or I could come up here and pretend that's middle C. I could come up here. I could come down here. Whichever. So you can pretend middle C moves around so that you can, if you have multiple people on playing together, they're playing it in different parts of the keyboard. It's kind of fun, I guess. As far as this lesson goes, I'm going to kind of take all four of these in the lesson, but I'm going to split them up. So you can look at the starting points and play with me as to when they are, where, and whatnot. So I'm going to talk about number 1, which is the first 2 lines on page 12 first. Let's go through that. Just go through the whole process of learning a piece of music. It becomes a habit after a while. I look it over, it's 2 lines long, and it is for the right hand. All the notes are in the upper staff. We have treble and bass clef, and the time signatures 3/4 time. I see a bunch of quarter notes, half notes, and dotted half notes. Then I go through and I try and play the notes. And again, if you're not sure what the names of the notes are in the music, do the play it and say it drill. It's just you keep at it. C, E, G, G, E, F, D, F, E. See, they're all getting mixed up here. Do that until you're comfortable with it, and do that with all of them. Then I try counting it out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I go through the whole thing and count it out carefully. And then I go back through it and get rid of the hesitations. No hesitations. And I want to get this without looking at the keyboard too, where I can feel it. Then I add the dynamics. And here you get an F at the beginning, which is loud. And it's going to play kind of heavy. Now, in my opinion, because it's repeated, and most of the time in music when we repeat things, we try to change something. We don't want to play it twice exactly the same way. And one of the things we can change is dynamics. So maybe the second time you play it softly. So just do it loud the first time, soft second. Just experiment with it. It still works out on all the other stuff. Now, when you're ready with that, let's play this together very slowly. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. Repeat. 2. 2, 3. 2. 2. 2, 3. On. For line 2, we go through the same routine. Let's look it over. It's 2 lines long. treble and bass clef, 3 4-time signature, and it's for the right hand again. I see dotted half notes, and quarter notes. So now I go through and I do the play it and say it drill. I'm going to pretend we did that. And then I try and play this and count it out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So play through the whole thing. And then go back through and get rid of any hesitations and no looking at the keyboard here. And then I try playing it softly. It's P at the beginning, soft. 1, 2, 3. Play that okay, and again, because it's repeated, maybe you don't want to play it twice the same way. In that case, play it soft the first time, and then when you repeat it, play it loud. When you're ready, no hesitations, then let's play it together. Again, the starting point of the play with me's are all in the descriptions. You can go right to them when you need them. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 2. No. Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2. Repeat. 2, 3, 2. One, two, 1, 2, 3. At the top of page 13, we have number 3. Now this is for the left hand. I'll go through the same routine. Look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 3 4-time signature. I got half notes and quarter notes and dotted half notes. So I'll try and do the play and say it drill if you need to. C, B, A, G, G. Just go through at your speed and just drill yourself on the names of these notes. Then we try counting them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, so forth. Once I can do that okay, then I go back through and get rid of the hesitations. And I can play this without looking at the keyboard. And it's F, fortes loud now. Again, don't copy me. You play it. You don't have to go that speed. Your loud can be different, whatever. But when you can play it with no hesitations and okay, then let's play it together and check that you have all the right notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. And again, I don't do louds and softs here. We're just playing the notes and the rhythm. 1, ready, go. 2. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, repeat, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, off. And then number 4, the last one, same routine. Look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 3/4 time signature. I have half notes and dotted half notes and quarter notes. We can do that fine. It's all for the left hand. So first I want to do the play and say it drill, make sure I know these notes. It's C, 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 B, B, C. Well, most of it's just these 2 notes. The second line you get an A. Otherwise it's okay. Then I go through and I count it carefully, get the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And I go through and do all that. Now, if you can get these okay, you can combine these. I can figure out the notes and do the counting at the same time if it's not too hard. Otherwise, I split them up and I just focus on the notes first and then add the counting. It depends on the piece. It's up to you how you do it. And once I can do that, I get rid of the hesitations. And I can play this without looking at the keyboard. And then you think about the dynamics, the softs. Play it softly. Don't copy me. You do your thing. You don't have to go that speed. It's up to you. And when you can play it with no hesitations, okay, then come back to the video and let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts, 3 counts, 3/4 time. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 2. 2. Repeat. 3. 1, 2. 2, 3. 2. 2. 1, 2, 3. Off. Well, there is a teacher's part to this at the bottom of page 13. I'd like to play that. And you can play any of the 4 that you want. Or take turns to play one, then come back and do it again, play another. Yeah, whatever. I'll give us 3 counts. Now let's just see what we got here. 1, ready, go.